ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay. All right, today we're gonna be talking about how do I say this? Today we're gonna be talking about how to put like together like a good fit, like with good proportions, and like yeah. So for a good fit, what do you want to say? What do I want to say? For a good fit, we're gonna say it starts top down. I know everyone goes bottom up, but if you go bottom up, honestly, at this point, you're a Luddite. Like, not even gonna cap. So going top down. First, you gotta start with the maybe a head accessory. So maybe like. Most people shouldn't wear a beanie. Most people do look terrible in beanies, so I wouldn't say get a beanie. If you get a beanie with one of those like bunny ears or something like that, like, you know, bitch love beanies with bunny ears. I ain't gonna cap. Beanies with bunny ears, bro, be bussin'. Damn, what we got? You gonna have a little neck wear, little neck wear around the neck. Throwing some chrome hearts or some Goros or none of that, because all that is. I'm not gonna say what I was about to say. Yeah, let's not do that. Then you want to put on like a jacket. You want to put on a jaqueta. A nice jaqueta. Maybe like the best jacket in the world is like a Levi's type 2 vintage jacket. I ain't gonna cap. That's a good ass jacket. Then maybe or a nice like leather jacket, but that hole got to be fitted. Not too fitted though. Like not too fitted. Like get a nice soft buttery leather one, but like don't be getting them oversized drawings. I'm sure this is ugly as hell. Get like a good fitted one that be on that feeling you real snug. That be going you real snug. Yeah. Get a nice like single stitch vintage tee. Throw on you know, a nice little weird tee, a little music band tee, a little jazz, little razzmatazz, and then what you want to put on is belts. Like who even cares about belts? So just get a nice leather belt. Don't ever buy designer belts. That shit is crazy. Then you want to put on like a nice pair of jeans, whether it be big pants, whether it be a nice pair of Levi's, and some dumb shoes. The most important thing of a good looking outfit, honestly, is like the proportions to be right. So if you got like big pants, you gotta have a tight top. If you have big top, you gotta have big pants. I know in the previous video I said don't go big on big, but if you got a big top, you can't be wearing those skinny ass pants. That shit look crazy, bro. Like I'm not front. That shit looks nuts. And for shoes, I don't know, just be wear something that look good. We all know it looks good. Just get some Margiela German army trainers, bro. That's all you gotta do. Get some Margiela replica gats. That's all you gotta do. Throw those hoes on, and then it kind of works with like everything. Like you don't have to get a new pair of shoes if you get those. You could just wear those all the time, bro. I don't even know, bro. If you dress bad still in 2022, that's just probably like a choice. Like honestly, I really don't think you could like actually dress bad in 2022. Like it's gotta be some type of like choice. Like bro, there's like it's mad easy. There's like so many examples on how to dress well. It's like bro, or maybe you just don't got the guap. But there's like so much vintage at this point. Like you get a nice pair of Levi 501s, you get a good deal somewhere, and it's like, you know, get a good deal for a good price. A Dickies Eisenhower line jacket is pretty good. Like you can't really go wrong with that. That's also cheap. That's a good fit. Good Levi 501s or 517s or some shit. You're probably gonna have to drop a little bit of money on the shoes. I've gotten a really good I shouldn't really say those because they're not cheap. They're still like $200. If you get good Converse like Chucks, like a good nice hard bottom pair that are like kind of aged looking, or maybe like a leather upper, those are honestly pretty good shoes, and they're not expensive. You can get them for like pretty good price. You be good. You be styling. Bye, bro. Talk to y'all niggas later.